Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about how to use SUMIF formula in Excel. If you have a closing stock and you want in some of that stock for opening, then you have to use SUMIF formula. So let's start on sheet 1. I have my closing stock is on 31st March 2024. On sheet 2 I have my stock which I have to fill an opening stock by combing same item. So I take the name of stock, quantity and price. Now we write the formula of SUMIF. Simply we have to write is equal to SUMIF then bracket open. Now select the range, means from where we have to take the closing stock is opening, and then put a dollar sign on the name, means if there was a 1 we have to put dollar sign. It is because the row will not jump a 1 to a 2, and then after we have to select criteria, means the stock name which we want. Then if we want quantity, then we select quantity. If we want price, we select price. Now a dollar sign and close the bracket, and then just copy that and paste in another stocks. Now I know that my answer is correct, but for your confirmation, I will show that it was right or wrong. I am taking Amrit Ilaichi. See at the corner there are 17 pieces. And just like we will write the SUMIF formula for knowing what's the actual prices. So we will write is equal to SUMIF bracket open range sign dollar on it, criteria and now copy and paste to another. So my answer is 1700. For your confirmation, I am going to show you what is right or wrong. So we use Excel filter, which shortcut key is Alt plus H plus S plus F, and typing on it and enter. After that see on corner. The answer was there. Answer is right. Thank you for your support. Like and subscribe please.